Hello, class 9. Let's begin our class. So far, we have done chapter 5, right? So, today we'll start chapter 6. So, write down chapter 6. Chapter 6, we have lines and angles. Right, lines and angles. So, turn page number 89. So, there you'll get some introduction. So, from page number 19 we have basic terms and definition. Okay, as you know, line segment, isn't it? So this is your line segment, right? And you know line, isn't it? What is line? Line is this, isn't it? Endless breadth, isn't it? So this is your line segment. Now next definition is your ray, isn't it? So if a line has only one endpoints, then that line segment is called ray. Okay, so next, you know angle, isn't it? So to make an angle you need two rays, isn't it? So first ray, second ray, right? So this is your angle, isn't it? As you know, this is your angle. So these are called arms of a angle. Actually this is your ray, isn't it? So but to make an angle they are called arms. So these rays are called arms, and the point where these lines or ray meet, that point is called vertex, isn't it? Vertex. So you know in your previous class these are the known quantity, isn't it? So next we have collinear and non-collinear points. See, if a points a, b, c, or whatever point is there, isn't it? So whatever number is there, if a point lies on the same line, then those points are called, let us say this a, b, c, d. So these points are called collinear point. Okay, if I pass or if I draw a line, then it will give a line, isn't it? But these are also points, isn't it? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So this will not lie on same line, isn't it? Why? Because ups and downs are there, isn't it? So these are called non-collinear points. Non-collinear points, and these are called collinear points. Clear? So next, you know acute angle, so obtuse angle and complementary angle, isn't it? So but in your class we have to discuss reflex angle. So if I have an angle theta, okay, and if I want to find this the reflex of theta, so always you'll get reflex angle is those angle, the angle from 360 you have to subtract. So this is the reflex of this angle, means that around a point how much is your degree measure? 360 degrees, isn't it? So 360 degree minus of this is your the reflex of theta, isn't it? The angle, isn't it? So reflex means this is your theta, reflex of theta is this angle is your reflex of this one, isn't it? Right. So next, you have to learn pair of angle, isn't it? So many pairs of angles are there. See, this is your line, isn't it? And this is the point A, and this angle is how much? 180 degrees, isn't it? And this angle is your again 180 degree. So if I break this angle, then these are called linear pair angles. Complementary angles, the sum of pair of angle which makes 90 degree. So these are called complementary angles. Next you have adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means this is your adjacent angle. If I have figure like this, then this angle and this angle are called adjacent angle. this angle and this angle also called adjacent angle. Okay, and this angle and this angle also called adjacent angle. So linear pairs of angles, you know, isn't it? So now next topic is your vertical opposite angle. So draw this, let me draw first. So if I draw like this, then these lines are intersect at a point O. So these angles are called vertical opposite angle and they are equal also, and these two are also vertical opposite angles and they are also equal to each other. Clear? So this sign makes them equal. Okay, यसो काटेको छ भने के हुन्छ, दुईटा एंगल बराबर हो. Okay, so next you have, yes, parallel lines, isn't it? Transversal line. Okay, so next you have parallel lines. So this is your non-parallel line. Parallel lines means that which has, if I draw and if I measure these 2 points, then they are equal in length. Okay, so those are called parallel lines. So today we'll first start exercise number 11 point, sorry, 6.1. So write down exercise 6.1. Question number 1, solution. So there you have figure, isn't it? So this is your figure, right? First, to solve this geometry, this is your geometry, isn't it? You should draw figure first, otherwise you will not get the marks. So this is the figure. Okay, exactly. So this point is O, this point is D, this point is B, this is your A, C and E. So here you have to find, so first item, to find, what to find? Angle BOE, angle BOE. So always vertex comes at the middle. Okay, so BOE, this angle you have to find. You have to find this angle, right? And given mathera given angle BOD, how much? Angle BOD is how much? 40 degree. Clear? देख्दैछ 40 degree. And also given angle AOC. So BOC, to find BOC, what we should do, see, these two angles are vertical opposite angle, isn't it? So angle AOC equals to angle BOD, isn't it? These two angles. So angle AOC equals to almost 40 degree, right? Because BOD equals to 40 degree, isn't it? This is given, isn't it? Angle BOD equals to 40 degree. So we got this one is your 40 degree. And next, see, angle AOC. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to how much? 70 degree. BOE. If you add this two, you will get 70 degree. Then angle BOE how much? Angle this is how much? 40 degree, isn't it? AOC 40 degree plus angle BOE equals to how much? 70 degree. That means angle BOE equals to how much? 70 minus 40, how much? 30 degree. So you'll get angle BOE equals to how much? BOE equals to how much? 30 degree. This is 40, this is 30. Now you have to find angle BOE first part done, isn't it? Angle BOE equals to how much? Therefore angle BOE equals to how much? 30 degree. Now you have to find a reflex of COE. So reflex of COE, this is the angle. So we have to find this angle. How? See, second part. Okay, how you will find this one. So first part done. So next see, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, how much? 180 degree. Why? This is a line, so if you add all the angles, how much you'll get? 180 degree. So AOC 40, COE you have to find, plus BOE 30 degree equals to 180 degree. So this is how much? COE equals to 180. This to take other side, you'll get 70. So how much? 110 degree. 110 degree, right? So now therefore reflex of angle C, angle, this is angle, okay, angle COE equals to how much? Just now we discussed 360 minus the angle, isn't it? So 110. So how much? 0, 6, 10, 5, 3, 1, 2. So 250. So answer are angle BOE equals to 30 degree and reflex of angle COE equals to how much? 250 degree. So likewise you just do question number 2. Okay, so next class I'll check your answer. This 2 is your homework. Question number 2, exercise, same exercise. Clear? Pause gara ramrari हेर. This much for today. Thank you class.